Welcome to today's deep dive. I carry you upon a journey through the hopes, the hard truth, and the big legal changes we have shaped immigration and citizenship in the US. And how all of them changes are mash up real life families. Picture the classic American dream where you see on TV. Big tall building, clean cut lawn, bright smile. For plenty people who come from place like Jamaica, that dream looks sweet. Them dream for come make it, send back barrel and money and go back home as the one we boss. But as soon as the plane land, the story change. Instead of shiny city life, them find themselves in a corner neighborhood when I look nothing like the movie. And the pressure real high for proof that them a win. Same time them a deal with everyday hardship. Big court fight are going up at the top level. One executive order come out where did what take away automatic citizenship from Pitney born in the US if one parent no citizen and no have green card. Within hours, 22 states sue the government. One judge block it right across the country, but then another court ease up the block and then it reached Supreme Court. The end result, we now have two defense systems. If your baby born in one of the 22 states where they sue, them get birth paper, social security, Medicaid, food stamp, the whole works. But if you're there in the other 28 states, your baby rights up in a year. No pregnant woman I get help to choose hospital based on state line. Not closeness, but which side protect them in the future. You see how mad that is? Two baby born the same day, just 40 miles apart, and them life set totally different, all cause of geography. You only hope for plenty families for join big drawing out class action case will cost enough money and take years. And while them legal war they are going, ICE tactics are get more cool in the courthouse itself. Imagine ICE officer in a plain clothes blending a crowd. People come court open say them compliance I go help them case, but end up get tech with quiet. Right in front them pitney, them friend, them community. This not just mistake on paper. Plenty of the people them have US citizen pitney, steady job, even own house, but all of that mean nothing. Immigration law no give you no public lawyer, no quick ban hearing, and you have to prove say enough day in a lockup. Jail come first and you have to fight for freedom from there. Court case take years, so them use detention like pressure. Some people just give up and agree to get deported, even if danger the wait upon them back home, just to come out and lock up. So I left you with this question. Why it mean for society when courthouse, the place we're supposed to bring justice, turn in a trap? When a baby future depend power with them born and showing up to follow law end up in lockup. This not a theory. Millions of people are live this right now. And as the line between law and force get more blurry, we have to stop and ask, what really name justice and who really get to claim it?